Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The Christian Association of Nigeria says it has watched with keen interest recent development in the state where many innocent citizens lost their lives, no thanks to, as usual, suspected herdsmen.
What bothers us much is about the security challenges we are facing, particularly of recent, where we have killings and maiming of people in Dong and also in Barikin Ladi and Riom area where we have Kui, where people are being killed. Number of people have been killed, and it's so sad. When we are asked, you hear stories about attack or reprisal. Whether it's attack or reprisal, the church after deliberation is so sad about the issue and they condemn it in total.
Chairman of CAN, Plateau State, said it is high time Christians rise up to defend themselves as government at all levels can no longer guarantee the safety of lives and property.
People must have the attitude of vigilance and self-defense. No matter what, God has given you the right to protect yourself, has given you the right to defend yourself. We are not saying you go in attack, but in a situation where you have challenges, security challenges, you have the divine right to protect yourself and to defend yourself, come what may.
The chairman also reacted to a statement credited to the State Police Command that the attack on Dong community was a reprisal.
But what right have you to take the laws into your hands to go and kill? Maybe one person was attacked, then 20 to 30 people have been killed. It's sick.
The association challenged government to take charge and protect Nigerians who voted them to office.